7,000 years ago, a volcanic eruption collapsed Mount Mazama. The explosion was 42 times the power of Mount St. Helens. Springs, snow, and rain began to fill the depression with water, and in time, formed the deepest body of water in the United States, Crater Lake. This summer, we'll complete a 5-year investigation into the mysteries of Crater Lake. The team is headed by Oregon State oceanographers Bob Collier and Jack Diamond. They hope to prove that hydrothermal springs are venting up from the floor of the lake and are responsible for its unique chemistry. The Deep Rover will take the scientists into the darkest regions of the crater. Traveling with them to depths that will exceed 1,900 feet is the Macintosh portable.
We have a whole variety of essentially state-of-the-art instruments which make measurements during our dives. Eventually, all of this data has to flow together and be merged into one data set. We found in previous years that this whole operation is so intensive that we would never get the time to do that synthesis until after the program was over with. Now that we have the portable Mac, we could essentially acquire data in real time and display it in real time. We're stuck down here in the field in an operation that's costing us many thousands of dollars a day, and we can't afford to make the wrong decisions. And so the more computing power we have, the more effective the research will be in the end.
The portable now can be the driving force in the field for our instrumentation controls. Attached to the submarine are a whole bunch of different sensors. At any given moment, the pilot is looking at readings from those sensors: temperature, depth, direction. He also is looking at a stream of character readout. So as he sits there, he's got to instantaneously make literally hundreds of decisions. So what the Macintosh portable now allows us to do is interface into those sensors and give a visual representation of where we're going.
The way we've designed our team is to have one of our research assistants, Bobby Connard, work on moving that data into a form where we can create plots, contour diagrams of the track of the vehicle, and superimpose all of these data sets and be able to bring them out, look at them, print them, take them out on the next day's dive, and make decisions based on that right away.
The ultimate goal is to get something out that the rest of the world can see. What we're able to do now with the introduction of the portable is complete the circle. We can now come right in off the field, not worry about having to go through a million different types of translations, manipulate the data very transparently, and literally desktop publish the end result.
During the final weeks of their investigation, the team discovered a source of hot water that appears to indicate the existence of a hydrothermal vent. 5 years of intensive research and the on-site data analysis now made possible by the Macintosh portable seems to have paid off.